Hi, welcome to the Exactly AI Academy. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use the palette tool in Exactly AI to influence the colors of your generation. To open the palette tool, select a frame and click the 4-color grid icon, or press C on your keyboard. With the palette open, you can add the colors by choosing from our range of common shades, or by clicking the plus icon to use the color mixer and create a custom color. You can add up to 5 colors, then proceed with prompting your generation as usual. The palette tool is a powerful feature that gives you greater control over your model's output, but it's important to keep a few things in mind. The color palette should be considered as an influence, rather than a strict filter. The model will aim to incorporate your selected colors where possible, but it may also add or omit colors, or deviate slightly from your intended shades. We recommend you keep experimenting and tweaking until you achieve a result that works for you. The effectiveness of the palette tool is also influenced by the diversity of colors in your training dataset. If your dataset contains primarily 1 or 2 colors, then the palette's impact will be limited. Models trained on styles with inherently restricted color palettes, such as black and white line drawings or graphite illustrations, will show only a minimal response to color adjustments because limited colors are fundamental to the style itself. To maximize the palette's effectiveness, use a training dataset that includes a variety of colors or a multicolored style without a dominant hue. This will allow for a more natural integration of the palette into your output. In this tutorial, we've demonstrated the palette tool in Exactly AI and given some tips on how you can make the most of it. If you get lost at any point or have any questions, don't hesitate to revisit this video or click the support icon in the bottom right-hand corner where you can report issues or contact our team. Thank you for joining us. In the next tutorial, we'll cover the Vary Image tool.